Hello, children. Welcome to Riot Tuition Classes. We are doing a prelim paper, okay? And now, question number 1A, choose correct alternatives. Choose the correct alternatives. Question number 1 is choose the correct alternatives. From the information given in the figure, for the first question, you can see from the information given in the figure, find the measure of angle AEC. Can you see this angle AEC? Can you see this angle AEC? Can you see here? What is E of angle AEC lies inside a circle? And this angle AEC has a vertical opposite angle DEB. Got it? Angle AEC and angle DEB are equal actually. Angle AEC is intercepting arc AC. Angle DEB is intercepting arc DB. Then measure of this angle AEC, or it can be DFB also, any one of them, is equal to half the sum of these arcs intercepted by these two angles. So half angle AEC is equal to, I'm just showing a working. This working, you're supposed to do it in your last page, okay? Angle AEC equal half measure of AC plus measure of BD. So what will happen? Angle AEC equal half into inside the bracket. Measure of AC is 30 degrees. Measure of BD is 42 degrees. So 30 plus 42. Angle AEC equal half into 72. How much you get, children? You get 36 degrees. So you can see here your question number 1, A sub question ka first question ka answer is 36. C is the answer. Okay. So you just put C here. Are you getting me here, children? No need of writing the answers here. Okay, children. Now we go to the second question, children. I'll rub it off. This first question, I'll rub it off. And I'm going to the next question, children. Just have a look at it. Okay. People should be able to understand. I'm sure about it. The second part, okay, the radius of the base of the cone is 7 centimeter and the height is 24 centimeter. Radius of the base of the cone is 7, it's a cone, okay, keep it in mind. Radius is 7 centimeter, height is 24 centimeter. Got it? Then the slant of the cone will be L square equal R square plus H square. L they want L square equal R square plus H square. L square equals 7 square plus 24 square. So कितना आएगा? L square equal 49 plus 576. So L square equal 625. So L equal root of 625. So square root of 625 is 25. So L is 25 centimeter. So you can see a 25. B is the answer for this. B is the answer, small letter B, okay? So got it. I hope people understood me. I'm going to rub off this working, okay? We go to the third question, children. In this third question, when you look at it, children, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Okay. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. By saying equilateral, remember they mean they are similar. They could have given they are similar, but they have made it up, chosen the word equilateral. They want you to understand whether you're able to use common sense. So what happens? They are equilateral triangles. By saying equilateral triangles, they mean they are similar. And area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DF is 1:2. So naturally, AB is 4, then what is the length of D? So whenever triangles are similar, area upon area should be side square upon corresponding side square. So 1/2 equal AB square upon D square, 4 square upon D square. So D square equal 2 into 16, D square equal 32. So D equal root of 32, that is 16 to the 4 root 2, okay? What is the answer going to be? 4 root 2. You can check it, the answer, children. The answer should be 4 root 2, okay? So you can check it here. I'll just come to this, okay? The answer should be, okay? You can see 4 root 2 is the answer, okay, children? 4 root 2 is the answer. So what is this third part? Third question, the answer is D1, D, okay? Now the fourth one is left, children. What is fourth? The radius of the hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Then its volume is, so volume of a hemisphere is always given by the formula 2/3 pi r cube. Volume of a hemisphere is given by the formula 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 into pi. Now, why am I not putting the value of pi? Because see the options. Everywhere the pi is retained, okay? So I'm not going to substitute the value of pi, but this is 125. Are you getting me a pi cube? Pi cube is 125. 125 twos are 250. So answer is 250 pi upon 3. Is this answer anywhere? Yes. The fourth one is A part. Are you getting me here? So you can see, children, there are 4 marks always in every paper. They're going to ask us fill in the blanks, okay? You have to 4 marks. I'm sure you have to just write proper question number 1, sub question A. Then every question, the answer only C. Okay, they expect you to put like this. That's all. Are you getting me, children? This working, what I'm showing, this working should be done in the last page. This workings and all should be done in the last page. Now we start with question number 2, children. Now for question number 2, what we are going to do is, children, let's see here. Question number 2, let's see. This starts with, okay, question number 2 says, solve the following questions. Solve the following questions. Question number 1 ka B part. I'm so sorry. This is question number 1, B sub question. Question number 1, B sub question. Question number 1, B sub question. Okay, question number 1 now. Question number 1, B sub question, children. And in that, the first one, construct angle ABC. Construct angle ABC. Okay, the first one, construct angle ABC or measure 60 degree. With the help of a protractor, you have to draw a 60 degree angle. With the help of your protractor, you should draw a 60 degree angle. You should draw a ray first, children. A ray, any ray. Suppose I draw this ray, I name it as this angle. What is the name of that angle? AB. B is the vertex. Suppose this point is B, children, and this is C. Now you'll place a protractor at B and mark the 60 degree angle, okay? And draw the 60 degree angle ray, okay? Ray of 60 degree, okay? With the help of protractor, you mark and draw this 60 degree angle. Now, after drawing this angle, children, I'll always make it a point. I'll name this A, I'll name this as B, and this is your C. Now, I want to bisect it. This is an angle ABC of measure 60 degrees. I want to bisect it. So take the vertex of the angle as center. Adjust your compass to a suitable radius and cut arcs. Okay, if you want, you can cut one arc itself. Okay, you can cut one arc itself. You can cut one arc itself. Okay, or 2 different arcs of the same radius, the way you want. Okay, now this is, can you see these 2 arcs you cut? Okay, of the same radius. Take this point as center, same radius. You can draw an arc. Take this point as center, same radius. Draw back an arc and draw a ray passing through the vertex of the angle and the point of intersection of these arcs. And this is your angle bisected. This is your angle by. This is my rough figure, children. I hope people know, understand how they have to draw it. Okay. Now I go to question number. Okay. This Pika second question. Just have a look here. Solution of second question solution. Okay. Now what is given? You can see the figure, children. In the figure, Q is a contact point. That means PQ is a tangent. Q is a contact point. PQ is a tangent. And this PQ is, you can see here, 12. Oh, PQ is 12. PR is 8 and PS is asked. PQ is 12. PR is 8. PS is asked. From a point outside the circle. Okay, whenever they draw you draw a tangent segment and a secant. You can use tangent secant segment theorem. That is this PQ into PQ, that is PQ square, equal PS into PR. All from P only. P से कितना segment है इधर? PQ है, एक ही segment है. So PQ into PQ equal PR into PS. PQ into PQ equal PR into PS. PQ into PQ equal PR into PS. That is PS square equal, what I can say, children, PR into PS. This is called tangent secant division theorem by tangent secant division tangent secant segment theorem. I'm so sorry. Tangent secant segment theorem. Tangent secant segment theorem. Okay. Now, this is tangent secant theorem, segment theorem. Okay, THM. Okay, short में समझो. Now, what is this? PS, we don't know. Okay, we want to find PS. So, PS, PQ square equal PR into PS. PQ, we know. How much is PQ, children? 12. So, what is this? 12 square. 12 square equal, how much you get? This 12 square is equal to, how much you get? PR is 8 into PS. Okay, children? So 144 upon 8 is equal to PS. So PS equal 18. Okay, 18 units. So this is the answer, children. Remember to put it in a box. Okay, this is the answer. PS equal 18 units. Now I go to question number 1. Question number 1 ka we go to, okay, question number 1 ka third part. Ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles. Okay, ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles is, how much it is given? Ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles is, ratio of the corresponding sides is 4:7. Then find the ratio of their areas. Oh, ratio of the corresponding sides is given. They wanted to find the ratio of their areas. Okay, I am doing question number 1 ka B sub question ka. Okay, I'm doing question number 1 ka B sub question ka third question. Okay, I'm doing question number 1 B sub question. Question number 1 B sub question. Question number 1. Question number 1. Okay, B sub question. I'm doing the third part of this question. Okay, what is the third part? Ratio of the corresponding sides. So let me write like this. Let the corresponding sides of similar triangles. Let the corresponding sides of similar triangles. Sides of similar triangles be S1 and S2, and their areas be A1 and A2. Okay, let the corresponding sides of similar triangles be S1 and S2, and their areas be A1 and A2. A1 upon A2 equal, what is given? One more thing, what is given? S1 upon S2, the ratio of the corresponding sides is given to you, okay? S1 upon S2 equal, how much they are given? 4:7, okay? And they wanted to find A1 upon A2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equal, actually it goes like this, S1 square upon S2 square by theorem on areas of similar triangles, by theorem on areas of similar triangles, by theorem on areas of similar triangles, by theorem on areas of similar triangles. Now look at it carefully, children. A1 upon A2 equal, they're not given how much is S1, how much is S2, but they're given S1 upon S2. उनका ratio 4:7. तो इसके लिए मैं क्या करता है, इसको S1 upon S2 तो whole square लिख देता हूँ. इधर क्या होता है, S1 का वैल्यू डालना पड़ता है S2 का वैल्यू. तो मुझे S1 का वैल्यू कितना है, S2 का वैल्यू कितना है मालूम है, लेकिन S1 upon S2 का वैल्यू मालूम है. तो इसके लिए S1 upon S2 the whole square. So what I do, A1 upon A2 equal, how much it will be? 4 upon 7, the whole square, okay? So how much you get? A1 upon A2 equal, you get 16 upon 49, okay? So what is the question asked? They want the ratio of their areas. So ratio of the areas is 16:49. Always try to write the answer the way they are asked in the question. The way they are asked in a question. The way they are asked in a question. Okay. Now this was question number B, third sub question, children. Now I'm coming to question number B, fourth sub question. Question number 1, B ka fourth question, fourth sub question. Okay. Question number 1, B, fourth sub question. You can clearly see this sum, children. Very simple. In the figure, there is one triangle ABQ, and AQ is given as 9, and they wanted to find the value of AB. AQ is given as 9, and they wanted to find the value of AB. So how we go about, children? Just so simple it is. Just here. in right triangle, of course, many children will think about solving it by using 30, 60, 90 theorem, but I'm going to go about one simple way. In right angled triangle, ABQ, right angle triangle ABQ, you can see here, children, this angle is given as 30 degree. The side which I want is AB, which is the opposite side of 30. And the side which you know, AQ, 8 centimeter, which is a hypotenuse. Opposite side and hypotenuse are involved by sine. So what am I going to do? Sine 30 equal opposite side upon hypotenuse AQ, okay? Sine 30, everybody should know by heart half it is. What is AB? We don't know. And what is this? AQ is 8. Cross multiply 8 upon 2 is equal to AB, children. So what is AB equal? 4 centimeter. A very simple sum. Very easy question. I'm sure everybody has understood it, children. Now we start with question number 2. Okay, so question number 1, A part was 4 marks. Okay, which was in the choose the correct alternative, 4 marks. And B question was 1 mark question, children. Very simple questions. Okay, now why go to question number 2? Let's start with question number 2. Now, question number 2 is a question, first part. Now, look at this quadrilateral PQRS, children, and let's try to understand. In this figure, this PM is 10 centimeter. PM is how much? 10 centimeter. Area of triangle PQS. Area of triangle PQS is upper ka triangle PQS. Area of triangle PQS is 100 square centimeter. Area of triangle QRS. Area of triangle QRS. Area of triangle QRS. Okay, नीचे का ट्रायंगल QRS कितना है बेटा? 110 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ऊपर का ट्रायंगल कितना है? 100. नीचे का ट्रायंगल कितना है? 110. एरियाज दिया है बेटा, PM दिया है 10, और उनको मांगता है बेटा. ओके, this now they want us to write, complete the following activities. They want me to complete the following activities. They are writing here triangle PQS and triangle QRS having segment QS common base. Segment QS as common base. Areas of the two triangles whose base is common are in proportion to the corresponding height. So area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS will be equal to PM upon QN. Okay, PM upon QN. I'm filling it up here. PM upon QN, children. Now, how much is the area of triangle PQS? 100. How much is the area of triangle QRS? 110. How much is PM? 10. And how much is this QN? We don't know. QN, sorry, NR. This is PM and this should be NR, children. I'm so sorry. I should be PM and NR. I'm so sorry, children. NR, okay? This is NR. Okay, PM is 10 centimeter, but NR, I don't know, children. Cross multiply, the 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Now cross multiply, NR equal 11 into 10 upon 10. 11 upon 10 into 10. So how much you get? 10 gets cancelled, 11 centimeter. How much you get? 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. I hope people understood me here. I just filled it up in this question paper itself. Okay, people are understood. The figure is not clear, so I have drawn it here. Once again, I'll tell you, in the figure, PM is 10 centimeter. Area of triangle PQS, बड़ा ऊपर का triangle PQS कितना? 100 square centimeter. Area of triangle QRS कितना है बेटा? 110 square centimeter. And this solution starts from here. Triangle PQS and triangle QRS having common segment QS as common base. Having segment QS as common base. Have therefore areas of the two triangles whose base is common are in proportion to their corresponding heights. So area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS should be PM upon RN. I filled it up in the picture itself, here itself. Equal 100 upon 110, 10 upon NR, 11 into cross multiply. NR मांगते तो 11 और 10 cross multiply होगा, 10 नीचे आएगा. So NR equal 11 into 10 upon 10. 10 get cancelled. And what is 11? Answer is 11 centimeter. So children, this you have to rewrite this whole solution. Are you getting me here? Okay. Now let's see the second one. Okay. You can see the second one, children. The second one is here, children. I'm not going to draw the picture for you again. The angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. It's a theorem. Prove the result by completing the following activity. So you can see here, given my angle ABC is inscribed in a semicircle with center M. ABC is inscribed in a semicircle with center M. ABC is inscribed in a semicircle with center M. ABC is inscribed in a semicircle with center M. You can see here. To prove that this angle ABC is a right angle, but the ABC is 90. So segment AC is the diameter, children, of the circle given to us. Therefore, measure of AXC equal 180 degrees. Okay, measure of a semicircle is always 180 degrees. When you see a diameter in this chapter, diameter helps you to identify the semicircle. ऊपर भी semicircle है, ABC भी semicircle है, AXC भी semicircle है. So measure of a semicircle is always 180 we know. So what is measure of AXC? 180 degrees. Now arc AXC is intercepted by inscribed angle ABC. So whenever measure of an inscribed angle is half the intercepted arc, half measure of arc AXC. This is called inscribed angle theorem. You can see the reason. So half into, what is measure of AXC? 180 degrees. So half into 180, how much you get better? 90 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is a right angle. Angle ABC is a right angle. Very simple sum. I hope everybody understood. I filled it up in the paper itself. But you have to write it, rewrite it in your answer paper. You have to rewrite the whole thing. If I try to rewrite, my time waste, okay? The space also is less in this. My aim is only to make you understand. I hope you're understanding. That's all, okay? So we move to the third question now. You can see this third question, children. The third question is, right, it says, third question is, if tan theta is 9 upon 40, tan theta is 9 upon 40. If tan theta is 9 upon 40, okay, then they want me to find the value. You use complete activity by find the value of sec theta. By completing the activity, you have to find the value of sec theta. Okay, very simple, children. Again, you can see this diagram, children, and we have to start with this diagram. Not diagram, sorry. This figure here, no figure. Tan theta is given as 9 upon 40. Complete the following activity and find the value of sec theta. So sec square theta equal 1 plus tan square theta. Usually we write 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta. Got it? So here, क्योंकि sec theta मांगता है, तो sec square theta equal 1 plus tan square theta. So sec square theta equal 1 plus 9 upon 40 the whole square. So that will be, or 9 upon 40 the whole square. What is it? 9 upon 40 the whole square. 9 upon 40 the whole square. So what is the value? Tan theta is 9 upon 40. That's why I'm putting it, okay? So 1 plus 9 square is 81. And 40 square is 1600. Now LCM, cross multiply. So tan 1600 plus 81 upon 1600. So sec square theta is 1681 upon 1600. Sec square theta equal. So sec theta equal. This should be sec theta. There is a mistake here. It should be sec theta equal dash. Okay, sec theta equal dash. So square root of this, square root of 1681 is 41, and square root of 1600 is 40. So remember, this is nothing. I'm rewriting. This is nothing. Okay, this is mistake. This should have been sec theta. So root of this, root of 1681 is 41 and 1600 ka 40. Okay, I hope everybody has understood it. I filled the values in this question itself. Okay, even for 1 and 2 now I rubbed it off. I'm going to rub this off and come to the question number 1, B sub question. Question number 1, B sub question. Question number 1, B sub question. Question number 2, B sub question. I'm so sorry, children. Slip of tongue. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2 and B sub question we are going to start. Okay, solve the following questions. Okay, you have to solve the following questions. This is not an activity sum. This is not an activity sum. This is, we have to solve it. Okay, So we'll start solving it, children. No problem. Okay, once you can check it out here and we can easily solve it. Okay, so just check it out what it says, children. You can see in the figure, O is a central circle. In the figure, O is a central circle. In the figure, O is a central circle. Okay, this O is a central circle. PQ is a chord. PQ is a chord. Angle POQ is 90 degrees. Angle POQ is 90 degrees. Angle POQ is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Okay. Angle POQ is 90 degrees. Okay. Then area of the shaded part is 114. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. This shaded part is called a segment of a circle. If theta is any of these values, 30 degree, 45 degree, or 60 degree, or 90 degree, you can go for one direct formula. What is that? Area of Earth, it is white, you look better. Area of a minor segment, area of a minor segment equal r square pi theta upon 360 minus sine theta upon 2. Now you can see this is a formula. Area of a minor segment is r square pi theta upon 360 minus sine theta upon 2. The area of this minor segment PQ, the shaded region is nothing but a minor segment. So how much it is? 114, okay, is equal to this r square, you don't know. But pi, pi is 3.14. Theta is 90 upon 360. Theta is 90 minus sine 90 upon 2. Sine 90 upon 2. So what I'll get, 114 is equal to r square as it is, children. The 0, 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9 fours are 2 twos are 2 1.57 are. So r square 1.57, the whole thing upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, because sine 90 is 1. So here 114 is equal to r square, and when the denominator is same, LCM is same, so it will become 1.57 minus 1, the whole thing upon 2. So what will happen, children? 114 is equal to r square into 0.57 upon 2. Now, such a simple sum, children. 114 into 2, the whole thing upon 0.57 equal r square, children. R square I have 1. So 0.57 comes down, 2 goes up. Now remove this decimal. Remove this decimal. 114 into 2. If into 2 into 100, if I shift the decimal by 2 places, then on top I should put 1 and 2 zeros. And this will become 57 equal r square. So 57 twos are. So ultimately I get r square equal 400. Actually, I need not show 400, 4 into 100, but 400 I'm writing. So r equal 20 centimeter. So what is the radius of the circle, children? Radius equal 20 centimeter. So I hope everybody understood this sum, children. Okay. Area of minor segment is r square pi theta upon 360 minus sine theta upon 2. Got it? You use that formula and try to get area of this minor segment. Now I come to your question number 2. Come to question number 2, bigger second question. Find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 13 root 2 centimeter. Find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 13 root 2 centimeter. Find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 13 root 2 centimeter. So what is diagonal, children? Diagonal equal 13 root 2 centimeter. But what is diagonal of a square, children? people should know diagonal of a square is equal to, children, root 2 into side. Diagonal of square is root 2 into side. Now, don't we agree? Side of square. Side मतलब side of square. अभी diagonal of square का value मालूम है आपको 13 root 2. 13 root 2 is equal to root 2 into side, children. Root 2 into side. तो अभी क्या आएगा बेटा? से root 2 नीचे आएगा. 13 root 2 upon root 2 is equal to side, children. So what will happen, children? Root 2 will get cancelled. So side equal 13 centimeter. Side equal 13. This is one answer we got. Find the side and perimeter of a square. Now, perimeter is so easy, children. Perimeter of a square equal 4 into side. Perimeter of square equal 4 into side. So, kitna ho gaya? 4 into, how much it is? 13. 4 13s are 52 square, 52 centimeter. 52 centimeter. It's a perimeter. You're just adding all the 4 sides. So you say 4 into side, all 4 sides are equal. So naturally, it will become 13, 4 into 13, 52 centimeter. This is perimeter. Okay, children, we want the perimeter. Now, we go to the, this was actually question number 3, children. Question number 2B, third question. Okay, I'm so sorry. I missed out your question number. Okay, this was the third question, children. Okay, I missed out question number 2. Okay, now I'm coming to question number 2, children. I'm coming to question number 2. Question number 2, B sub question, second part. What is given in the figure? In the adjoining figure, line MN touches a circle with center ray at point M. Or a line MN touches a circle with center ray at point M. That means line MN is a tangent, okay? And AN kitna diya? 13 diya. AN kitna diya? 13 diya. AN. And MN kitna diya? 5 diya. MN kitna diya? 5 diya. Find the radius of circle. So simple, children. We start with this in triangle AMN, okay? Now, first thing I'll show angle AMN equal 90 degrees. Angle AMN equal 90 degrees by tangent theorem. Reason by tangent theorem. By tangent theorem. Writing a reason is important, okay? Now, then comes Pythagoras theorem. 90 degree का सामने वाला साइड हाइपोटेन्यूज है AN square equal, इस नाम से देख लो, AN is a hypotenuse, M is 90. AN is hypotenuse. AN square equal AM square plus MN square. इसको by Pythagoras theorem बोलते हैं. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Now when I substitute the values, children, how much I'll get? You can check it out. AN is AN. This is AN. I hope everybody can see clearly. This was AN. This was AN. AN. AN kitna? 13 square is equal to AM square plus pi square. So how much you get? 169 minus 25 is equal to AM square, okay? So how much you get? AM square equal 144, okay? AM equal 12. AM equal 12, what you can say is units, okay? Therefore, radius of a circle is 13 units. Radius of circle equal 13 units. Radius of circle equal 13 units. I hope everybody understood me here. Now I go to question number 5, children. I'm going to question number 5 now. Okay? We go to question number 5, children. Question number 2 ka B sub question. Sorry, question number 4. Fourth part. I'm coming to fourth part. Okay? I'm coming to question number 4 part of B sub question. The fourth question says triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is 16 is to 25. BC is 2 centimeter. They want me to find QR. So naturally, whenever triangles are similar and area is there, you think of only one theorem, children. Area upon area equals side square upon corresponding side square. Well, the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to what it will be, children? AB square, AB corresponding side upon PQ square. Okay, this AB upon PQ. Okay, reason is okay. AB upon BC upon QR. BC is given. Sorry, I'm so sorry, children. BC is given. BC का corresponding side क्या है देख लो. BC का corresponding side नाम से देख सकते हो आप. BC का corresponding side QR है. तो BC square upon QR square by theorem on areas of similar triangles. By theorem on areas of similar triangles. By theorem on areas of similar triangles. Okay, children? By theorem on, okay, children, I'm so sorry for that problem. By theorem on areas of similar triangles. By theorem on areas of similar triangles. So only thing is, children, there's a reason, okay? Reason to the side. By theorem on areas of similar triangles. By theorem on areas of similar triangles. What is the ratio of the areas given to you in this sum? 16 upon 25 is equal to 2 square upon QR square. I want, children, please have a look here. QR square equal 2 square is 4, okay? 4 into 25. The whole thing upon 16, okay? What you can cancel for 1 times for 4 times. So you get QR square equal 25 upon 4. So what is QR equal? Root of 25, 5, 4 is 2. So QR equal 2.5, 2.5 centimeter, okay? QR equal 2.5 centimeter. I hope everybody got me here. Now, question number 2, B ka fifth part. A very simple question, children, like this. That is also a very easy question, okay? Very simple question. This fifth one is if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is 2, find tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equal how much? It will also be 2. You can see how we are going to go about, okay? I want tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. So I think what I'm going to do is this tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal 2 is given to us, okay? Am I right, children? This is given to us, okay? I'm writing the solution part, okay, directly. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is 2. So I want tan square theta. So I square on both sides. I square on both sides. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta, the whole square will be equal to 2 square. Now this is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a square tan square theta plus 2ab. Tan theta into 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta into 1 upon tan theta cancel. Only 2 will remain. Plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4, children. Now you can see here, you want only tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta. So tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 2. Okay. So what answer I get? About tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. Okay. We get the same answer. Correct? Show that. Okay. We have got this. So I'm sure, children, a very simple questions. Okay. Not difficult at all. This is square. Okay. Tan square theta equal 1. Okay. A very simple question. Now I have to start with the third question. Okay. So that I'll do it in my second lecture. Okay. So this is about first and second question in my first lecture. And then second lecture, you'll have that. Okay.